Welcome to John 316 Auto and Home channel. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments in the comment section below. In today's video, we will be changing tires on a vehicle using an electric jack. The first step is to put wheel stoppers for extra safety. After that, loosen the lug nuts. Locate the jack spot on the car and jack the car up. The jack spot is always close to the tire. After that, unscrew the lug nuts and remove the tire. Place the tire under the car for extra protection. Mount the replacement tire and screw the lug nuts in. Tighten the lug nuts before you lower the car jack. After that, lower the car jack. Once that is done, torque the lug nuts with a torque wrench. Congratulations, that completes the installation. Thanks for watching and visiting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add your comments in the comment section below.